Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the access denied from Zarchiver. So let's go to Zarchiver app, go to Android, data. So as you can see, the access denied showed up. So first of all, you check this one. Let's go to the setting at the top right, press the setting and then go to the root option. So make sure to turn on this option used for Android and file operation. After you choose the Shizuku or SUI app. So after that, you need to download the Shizuku app. So let's go to Play Store and then you search for Shizuku. So SHI app. Let me turn on my internet. So okay, I'm now connected. So let's press the try again to refresh and then this one, this app, the Shizuku app. So after installing, let's go to the app. So Shizuku app and then press the start button and then developer option. So you need to turn on the developer option. This one, okay, and then go to USB debugging. Turn on the USB debugging, allow it, and then also the wireless debugging. So you need to turn on this one and then let's go back. So this one it starts. So the error still show. So let's start pairing. We're not done yet. So pairing and then go back to developer option. So let's go to the wireless debugging. So first of all, you need to connect to internet and then go to wireless debugging. Just press the yellow one and then go to pair device with pairing code. So once the code showed up, this one will also show up at the top and then just put the code 289917. So to press OK, just press the arrow on the top right, the green one. So pairing successful. Let's go back and let's test again. So as you can see, Shizuku is now running. So we can now test it to the Z archiver if it runs. So let's go to storage, Android, and then data. So as you can see, it showed everything. So let me find the file that I want. I go to com.mobilelegends. Let me find it. Hmm. Okay, this one, Mobile Legends. So see, that's all,
Nice.
guys. Thank you. I hope you did it also. Don't forget to subscribe.